Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a bayonet arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Slightly turn the connector so the curved end of the connector is facing the rubber. Align the opening of the connector with the bayonet arm and push the blade to insert until you hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.